What's up, YouTube? I hope you guys can hear me. So I hope you can see me as well. Tonight I just want to do like a quick breakdown, a quick look out for what are the possibilities of what I'm looking out for the week. I will try as much as possible to make it short, so as not to bore you. So for anyone that might be asking questions, what are the things on my chart like this? Small lines that are on my chart. These dotted ones, the vertical ones are the section break. I can easily just take them off. While the horizontal ones are psychological levels, right? So psychological levels play a very important role in my trading, in my strategy. But I'm not going to bore you about strategy today. I just want to talk about what I'm looking out for. So let's do a quick top-down analysis. So on the weekly time frame, right, we see this major zone. This major zone was respected, right, and we had a bounce back up, which was a very strong one. On the daily time frame, this is pretty much like an ascending triangle that has now been broken. So which sort of like indicates buyers are present in the market, especially on GU. So we'll also briefly look at DXY, which is like a correlation where I use once in a while to be able to match up what I'm looking at on GU and what I'm looking at on if dollar is strong or if dollar is weak. So we see that this major zone has been tested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's broken. Potentially what I'm looking out for now is a retest, which can happen. We don't know what can happen when the market makes a opens by 10 o'clock, I think, which it could gap down or it could gap up to continue going down. So potentially, as you can see also on the lower time frame, which is on the 4-hour, we see the same structure, the same market structure being tested, which is a major zone, and we see a reaction off of this one as well. So possibly we see a drop back down, and then from here I'll be looking to take buys to the upside. This will also be based off of what I'm looking out for in terms of like market reaction at that point. When market gets to this point, am I seeing bullish strength back up, and then I'm taking buys into the momentum to go back up? The reason is because now we've closed. If you look at these previous ones, we did like a small close with a wick, we drop back down. This one closed, but there was no follow through, right? The following candles were closed with a doji, closed with a wick, closed with a wick, which signifies that sellers are present at this moment, which was all indicated for a sell to the downside. But eventually we had this very strong break to the upside. We came back into the range, but then this candle with strength closed above. This is on the 4-hour time frame. So a very solid close above like this, and then a continuation into the next structure indicate that there are buyers that are ready to push this market higher. So what I'm looking out for is basically a retest of this structure, a retest around this area, right? And then to see what's gonna happen in this area, first zone for a retest to be here. Then once I see a break, so pretty much, let me use just a second. So what I'm looking out for, because now we formed a bearish engulfing candle on the 4-hour, on the 1-hour time frame, nothing really serious, but on the 4-hour, the way it closed, I will be looking out to see what's going to happen later on. But I'm looking for a retest of this structure, right, and then a continuation to the upside. So if we then break this zone as well, I'm looking for a retest of it and then a continuation to the upside. Pretty much, it's pretty simple, nothing too crazy. That's it. Different things can happen, right, later on in the week, because we don't know what in terms of like fundamentals is going to happen. but based off of technicals, right? At the moment, GU is pretty very strong, and if we quickly go to the DXY is extremely weak. The reason why I say DXY is extremely weak is because this is a major structure, this is a major market structure here, and this is one that was initially broken. So you can see that this can overall be considered head and shoulders, right? So if we want to take this as this is the left shoulder, the head, right shoulder, and then a break of the, this is the break of the, what's it called now, break of the neckline. So possibly a retest of the trend line, a retest of the neckline and the structure, and then a further continuation to this zone. So any of this can happen. We might get a retest, we might not. Market can just keep going down straight here. We don't know what is going to happen, but in anticipation of that, we will just take trades based off of what we see. But as of now, dollar just broke this range, and yeah, it's currently in this one. So what I'm just simply expecting is for dollar to come to this next structure of 105.4, and which then indicates that GU will go to the upside much more. So pretty much that's it for this live. I don't want to bore you guys with so much stuff. I just want to do like a quick one. I hope you find something meaningful out of what I just shared, and I hope something out of it makes sense to you. I'm gonna be wishing you a great week. I hope you follow your trading plans, which is very, very important. Don't look at what I'm saying right now, because you might be seeing something else on the chart, right? Which is fine, because I could be wrong, I could be right. You could be wrong, you could be right. Just fully understand that you need to follow your trading plan. You need to stick to it. Whatever strategies you have been trading, either you're in a losing streak or you're in a winning streak, just follow it. Trust the process over the outcome. Always trust the process over the outcome. So I'm gonna leave you guys here with this. God bless you. Have a great week. I hope and pray that you make some good profit this week, and that's it, guys. Peace.